Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Guys, many of the times I have seen that students used to complain that after the B.Pharm course, they can't visualize any job opportunities. Believe me, if you are a B.Pharm graduate, then there is a plethora of job opportunities. So this is Dr. Vikas signing in, and let's explore out the job opportunities after the B.Pharm. Hashtag private. The first opportunity is in the form of the production department of the pharmaceutical company. Guys, the pharmaceutical production department is the one of the most ideal place for a B.Pharm graduate, because it's the pharmaceutical productions which is chiefly and significantly responsible for the production of all the dosage form which you see inside the market. And it also goes diversified way, like a separate department for the tablet, separate department for capsule, for parenteral, suspension, syrup, emulsion, and likewise much more. So as there are more than 3,000 registered pharmaceutical companies having 11,000 production plants all across the nation, they welcomes every year the various job opportunities in the production department in the form of production supervisor for fresher and production associate or production manager in the form of the experienced. The starting salary for the fresher, B.Pharm fresher in the production department ranges from 8,000 to 25,000. It's actually diversified, and it's a wide range because some of the certain things like level of the company, if you go in a big multinational company like Cipla, Ranbaxy, Pfizer, Glaxo, like that, then there will be a good handsome salary. In the smaller one, it also varies one. Secondly, the location is also very important, because guys, some of the production plants are also situated in the remote area of the country, like Baddi in Himachal Pradesh. Then if you go towards the northeast side, then there is a Sikkim. So these are, since they are in a very outskirts of the country, most of the people refuse to go out there, because everybody wants to be a guy, or the cool guy, evening guy of the metro and urbans, enjoy the pizza and in the McD's. So they refuse to go towards these sites. So that's why these production plants really offers a very good and handsome package to the freshers. So keeping this in view, this is also a very my personal suggestion, that if you are a fresher and seeking an opportunity, and if you get an opportunity in these outskirts like Himachal, Baddi or Sikkim, then definitely go there. You will start with a good package, and if you start with a good package, then definitely you will switch within a year or within 2 years towards the urban side with a much more increment at the former one. So it's a very important point. Keep this in mind. If we talk about the roles and the process which we have to perform inside the company, is that being a production supervisor, you will be assigned to a particular dosage form, like you will be in charge of the particular batch of the tablet. Like if the batch is undergoing the process of 50,000 or 50 lakh tablets in a batch, then you have to take care of everything related to it. As you know that the tablet has to go through towards the more than 7 steps for the manufacturing. You have to undertake all the things, handle the employee which used to operate the machines, perform the various assessment and evaluation tests that whether the batch is going well or not. These are some of the basic fundamental operations which you have to perform as a production supervisor. So guys, in a nutshell, production department is a very fruitful place and point for you. I have placed some of the important locations and list of the companies which offer regularly basis on 6 months, 3 months. You can check the link in the description. Guys, the second opportunity is in the form of the medical representative of a pharmaceutical company, or we can say a job called as HBO, that is the health business officer. Guys, you might not know that the growth of any company or any pharmaceutical company critically relies and depends on its marketing department. As I've just said, there are more than 3,000 companies in the nation, so competition will be massive. So whoever will be the knockout, he will going to win the competition, and its product will be shared by the various physicians. So keeping this in view, you might have noticed that during your visit to a clinic, to a doctor, you might have seen a guy with a clean shave, with a tie and polished shoe. He is presenting some of the products to the doctor. That is actually the MR, that is the medical representative. So if you think that you have an immense potential of presenting yourself, you have a dynamic and versatile personality, then definitely this department is for you. The starting salary which this marketing division offers is around from 15,000 to 25,000, which varies on some of the basis, like the division, like whether which division which you belongs, like neurological, cardio, pediatrics, ortho, something like that. Then company, if you belong to a bigger multinational company, definitely your package will be handsome. And also the number of calls. So there are certain factors which make this job variate, but still, if you have that, you have the rough and tough personality, that you can resist the touring jobs, explore out the good places, explore out the different places, then definitely this opportunity is for you. The third opportunity comes with the name of the Quality Assurance Associate or Quality Assurance Supervisor in the Quality Assurance Department of the pharmaceutical company. Guys, every pharmaceutical, or we can say the pharmaceutical company production plant, has a quality assurance department attached to it. The main, chief, prominent and significant role of this department is to assure the quality of the products which are being manufactured in the production department. So every year, or we can say with the frequent change cycle system, the quality assurance department welcomes the various job opportunities, offers to various graduates, out of which the B Pharm is one of the most prominent requirement. So quality assurance, the profile of the quality assurance job is a white collar office job, 10 to 5, and you have to handle the files consisting the various dossiers, batch manufacturing records of all the products manufactured by the company. The starting salary package for this quality assurance department goes from around 15-20,000 up to 40,000, varies, range from the company to company. But one thing which I would like to add, that if you are thinking or planning to join the quality assurance department, then definitely you should not hurry up, you should not make fast things. It will be better if you join the production department first, then perform the job out there for 2-3 years, then definitely you will be a good player in the quality assurance department. That means after 2-3 years in production department, switch to quality assurance department. This is why I am telling this, because guys, the quality assurance department is a department which serves to the production. Means production is independent of quality assurance. Means if quality assurance is not there, there is no matter the fact, is in general way. But the quality assurance department is completely dependent on production. So to become a key player, to become a prominent player in the QA department, then you have a firm knowledge of the what's going inside the production, and that can be acquired only if you have spent some time in the production department. So don't hurry up, don't rush in the starting, just spend some time in the production and then switch to QA. And other thing which I would like to add apart from the production, that in the starting as a fresher, you will not be assigned to a very officer like profile. That means first you will be switched to IP QA department. IP QA is a department, is a team of the QA department which goes to production, take out the samples which are being manufactured, pack it and send it to QC, that is the quality control department. Quality control department performs certain kind of test and evaluations on the products, and they assure that whether the product is being manufactured as per the standards and guidelines or not. Since every production plant is approved, has to take the approval from USFDA, that is the United States Food and Drug Administration. So in order to assure that particular quality, purity, integrity, the QC perform the test and report to QA department that yes, everything is going as per the standards. So after this, the QA department assures and report to the head office that yes, we have done a good job. So these are the certain things which you like to know, and definitely a B Pharm guy can be a good player in the QA department. So this is the opportunity. Guys, the next opportunity comes in the form of the medical writer. Before getting out to the briefing of this, I would like to let you know that in one of my previous videos, that is the job opportunities after the D Pharm, I have discussed about the certain things on the particular title, that is the medical coding. So if you have not seen this that video, please click on the I button and check out that video. You will get into details of medical coding. So medical writing is quite similar to that actually, in which if in brief I'll tell you that you have to perform of the transformation task, that is the whatever the things which is spoken verbally, by a diagnostic, biochemistry professional, biotechnology professional, or by a forensic professional. During the their performances, they don't have the time to type or write out their remarks and assessment, so they speak out whatever the test they perform verbally, and these tests are recorded, and then a medical writing team transform these verbally recorded assessment points into a textual notations and into a textual form. So for this department, definitely company needs a guy who has the knowledge of medicine and anatomy and physiology. Don't get confused that medical writing means you have to something do like about the anatomy and physiology, something like that. You have to be a guy who knows both the things, that is the certain knowledge of the medicines and also from the physiology, which you study in the B pharmacy in the form of pharmacology and pharmaceutics. So definitely this is a very good department for you. So guys, that's all from my side from this video. You might find it useful, and if found it useful, please do like and share. And these are some of the job opportunities. I'll definitely come up with the government opportunity after the B Pharm. And if you need any query or suggestion, please give the comment and I'll help you out. So here I sign you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated and work smarter. Good luck.